Ye mama kwa ba eba eye opemso TV krob ya Asante Kotoko hene na fidi kase yi so ha ye manhia ahemfie se ye ba Asante ennabu na na asa ne sra na animu a ene eye akwaside edikan e wa afi mo enti se ye kwa agya calendar ni mu so so ene ye ogefo bosom ne fu etoso enum meche 5th of February 2023 na ye rama ya so te se akwaside edikan ebedru dia eye awogo bi be free achichi ni mpincheye eba be ho no na me kire wo mo be free eye UK Idris Elba eye udotwa movie ebe ka che British actor osaye DJ esa ka ho ebeba abe ho no na eja mo ba nso so eye agudi a ye wo wa Asante ye nioma nso ewo amamre ne amane no o ma betwa eti sebre ni dura nananom madam mama oba momfa mo ho yie na momfa me kire fi se ye twa mo e de akwa amano ne sabre die nananom nya nhyaase mba de nanso ye bekodwabo na se ne akohwe ntoto ya nananom aye e de agu akwa mu se akwaside edi kan wa afi mu omeye amana ye kra behwe na chain de bia dia yedi wa ha eti madam enyiwa fidie ni mfiri hanom ha eyopemso TV kenti madam sabre ye nya ahogwo bia ye pese ye ne omotwetwe nkomo na sabre die migiri so mu firi UK monte so ne bai. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I hope you are doing well.
Yes, sir. Very fine.
By the name, what's your name?
My name is Esther.
Esther. Queen Esther, right? Please, which country are you from?
I'm from Holland.
Holland?
Yes.
Well, you are welcome to Kumasi, the capital city of Ashanti Kingdom.
Thank you very much.
Here is Opemso TV, the private station of the king. We want to ask, how do you say things here? About the festival, I'm talking about the festival which is about to start. So how do you see things here?
Well, let me start by I just arrived, so I don't know what to expect.
Okay.
My expectations are quite high because I see so many nice people, nicely dressed, friendly. So I see the red carpet. So I hope I will see and can make pictures from the Queen. So it's my first time in Ghana and see this kind of festival. Yes.
But I'm sure you have heard of the Asante Kingdom.
Yes, I saw it, and we had some information today and the last days. So I think I know a lot more about it.
We wish you a nice stay in Kumasi, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Good luck with your program and enjoy today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, that's a Sabre.
Let me make a picture with you then. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Well, okay. So Sabre Mathieu for Esther also free Holland, and by the first time I just saw the other Ghana near Santiago Casa. It is Sabre no or expect to say. Eja obehu Asante amamre ni amane fi se watete mpanyinsem ni amamre ni bibia e fa Asante. Thank you too. E fa Asante ho nti no de ekoso ha bia no or hwesa Asante amamre ni amane de e be edi eti Sabre de enyiwa fidie ni mfra fi se ye de nyoma pa e na ebro ha Opemso TV. We welcome you to Kumasi, the capital city of the Asante Kingdom. I'm sure this is your first time of coming to Kumasi or the Asante Kingdom.
It is indeed the first time, yes.
And I'm sure you have learned a whole lot about the Asante Kingdom.
I have, yes, I've learned a lot.
Oh, okay. So what are your expectations today? You know, today being the first Akwaside, I mean our main festival. Today being the first Akwaside, what are your expectations?
So my expectations, well, I'm hoping that we will see the King and that we will feel the crowd's excitement at seeing the King, and I hope that we will feel that the King loves his people.
Sure. So you learning about the Asante Kingdom, what's the good things or your perception about the Asantes?
Well, I think it's very interesting how they have this strong matriarchal line, and the way there's a lot of continuity of the people from generation to generation and lots of understanding of the history that they've had. And I think that they're very brave, and I'm very ashamed of the way the British behaved.
Well, so going back to history, the British fought with the Asante several times, of which they wanted the golden stool. So you concluding that you are very ashamed, sorry though, but do you think what the British did was a good thing?
No, of course I don't think it was a good thing. I think it's a horrible thing the way the British tried to conquer African areas and subject the people. I think it's appalling, horrible.
So your final message, what will you tell these so-called mighty countries which are still striving hard to partition Africa and exploit their minerals?
well, I still think it's wrong that it's different countries now that are trying to exploit Africa, but always it's wrong. I would like to see trade on an equal basis from Africa with all its riches and wealth to other places in the world where it may be needed, and in exchange Africa reaching a level of development when the people are well and they're not hungry, then that would be very much better than it is now.
Thank you for having us. Enjoy your stay in the Ashanti Kingdom.
Thank you.
Thank you too. So what's your expectation today?
Well, I think very much the same as Agnes. We'd love to see the king, and we want to feel the atmosphere, how the Ashanti people respond to him and how he responds to them.
Okay. So do you agree with Agnes on this, she's saying that what the British did years ago was very shameful and it needs to be condemned?
Oh yes, absolutely. I think it's terrible history, and I think the British should be very apologetic for it now.
When we hear about it, Michael often says, well, I'm glad that my ancestry, his ancestry is not British, mine is, but his is not British. Okay. So he is less embarrassed than I am.
Okay, that's nice of you. Thank you for coming to Kumasi, the capital of Ashanti Kingdom. We wish you a fruitful stay in Kumasi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Etie for Madaroma, abrofo mu free UK, meche kenchas ye nwe ya woba ni krum. Na eja ye didi nkoma na eja Agnes e kase. Abrofo yi omo nyoma bi ombe ye wa Asante ni Asante ko ye ankomo ba Asante. Empo Africa mpo no, te se nani awukura ama ye abrofo no. Saa so na Michael so de to so saa. Eti eja ye wa hanom ade besi wa ha bia no, ye ma ye tie for asunsi da se koto region. Thank you.